and maybe I'm about to reveal my crazy. Hi guys, welcome back. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you today. Some of you know I was traveling the past week. I was actually gone like 10 days. It felt like forever. I went to a couple different spots in Florida, and maybe I'm about to reveal my crazy, but when I'm in a new city, a new state, if I see a Dollar Tree, I like to go in. I like to see what different Dollar Trees have. If you're not a regular Dollar Tree shopper, I mean, you probably are if you're watching this, but if you're not, you might not know that different Dollar Trees carry different stuff. So if you're in a new location, it can be really fun to go in and see what they have. And I stopped at like a few different Dollar Trees during my travels. I've got a collective haul. I wanted to share it with you. This is in no particular order. I have a big bag of stuff that I'm just gonna get started with. I'm gonna start with probably my favorite thing I found. And it's actually already opened. This is a toy that I picked up for my daughter. How adorable is this? It's this little like shopping cart basket, right? And it came with 4 pieces of fruit. So we got a strawberry, an orange, a banana, a lemon. They had 2 versions of this. They had fruit, and then they had one that had little vegetables. I am gonna be honest with you, I bought 3 of these. One to bring home, and then I left 2 others at like various family members' houses. It's so nice for her to have toys to play with, like when she goes to grandma's house, and for $1 you can't beat it. For $1 you got the basket and the pieces of fruit. They've sold these little pieces of fruit in little bags for years now, but I think with the addition of the basket, it's so cute. It comes bundled up in like a little net. You find it in the toy section. So I was super excited about this, and my daughter has been obsessed with playing with this. I'm gonna show you something else that I actually didn't get on this trip, but it kind of goes with that. I got this little broom and dustpan set. I put this up on my Instagram when I found this a few weeks ago, and I wanted to share it just because I wanted to give some examples of some of the really wonderful toys Dollar Tree has been putting out. I've been super impressed with their toys the past few months or so, but again, I put this in her play kitchen. She's been loving this. You got both pieces for $1. They had this mint color and a pink. Really fun. I got this little pencil bag. I want to be a mermaid. When I was getting ready for my trip, I did a Dollar Tree haul. I did a packing video, tips for packing up toddlers for a long vacation, and in the packing video I showed a little cosmetic bag, and I talked about how I like to organize her tiny things into different bags because toddlers, little ones, they've got tiny items and it can get really disorganized. Well, anyway, this pencil case is great because unlike most of their normal pencil bags, it's bigger, and I like getting stuff like this for travel. We've got a lot of trips coming up this spring and summer, so I always need stuff like this, but it's bigger. It's gonna fit a lot of stuff. I actually think I'm gonna put this in my big tote bag that I use as an airplane carry-on, and I can store things like crayons and snacks in here. It's just nice to have bags like this to keep everything organized. And mermaid, how perfect for summer. I found a bunch of fun new stickers that I was really happy with. My daughter loves stickers. I talk about that all the time here on my channel. And they had really great new patterns. I picked up this princess one. This is not new to me. I've found this one before, but I got that one. And then I was really excited about this one. They had this little Mickey Mouse one, and it's the 90th birthday edition. Mickey Mouse turned 90, I think last year, not this year. But these are so cute. They're all classic Mickey characters. Let me find a good page. They have one page where it's like all the different versions of Mickey throughout the years. So they've got like Sorcerer Mickey right there. They've got what was that? That was like the Mickey and the Giant, I think. Is it gonna focus? Anyway, super cute. You got 150 stickers. And then this one I was so excited about. It's Fancy Nancy stickers. My daughter just got into Fancy Nancy. She loves the show. I mean, I think most little girls do. This is the first time I've seen Fancy Nancy merchandise at the Dollar Tree. So I was super excited about that. Got this little magnetic drawing board. Again, if you were watching any of my travel prep videos. I did one on a busy bag and I talked about these toys. I got her a larger one of these at the Dollar Tree for her travel backpack. It was like Dollar Tree brand. It wasn't anything special. And it was great. We used it on the plane and it was a great toy for her. But the little pen that comes with it, you draw on it with this little pen and then you can erase it. The pen was not attached to the board, so we kept losing it on the plane and it was driving me nuts. Well, this one, it's smaller, but the pen is attached by a string. So it's perfect. I bought 2 of these because she loved that toy so much. So it's attached by a string, plus it's Etch-a-Sketch brand. So it's a name brand toy for $1. And I mean, it's pink. Who's mad about that? So that was an excellent find as well. I picked up some note cards. Look at this pretty, pretty pattern. What flower is that? Is it a magnolia? I don't know. Maybe not. Is it a lily? I don't know. It's really pretty. I love the black with the white. Such a classic pattern. I always pick up packs of pretty note cards. I always want to have cards on hand in case I need to write somebody a quick thank you note. That was really pretty. This is another toy. Like I said, I'm loving the Dollar Tree toys lately. They have this dollhouse line and they've always had it. But this is new, these like sets with the doll and a table and the chairs. They had a couple variations of this. They had like one that came with a sofa and a little coffee table. I picked this because my daughter loves putting little dolls on little chairs. That's random, isn't it? But she does love it. I'm ready to give this to her. She's been wanting to play with it, but I wanted to keep it together. This was really, really cute. They had a bunch of different types of this one. I picked up some bars of soap. These big Bolero bars of soap, I've been buying them for years. Focus. The Bolero brand of bath products, they're kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they're not so great. They don't froth up very well. But the bar soaps I do really like. And they've come out with these new scents for spring that are so, so good. Some of the scents are not good. There's a peony scent that smells like bad perfume to me. But these are both really great. This is watermelon. This smells, watermelon mint. This smells to me like Bath & Body Works has a watermelon candle in the summer. I think it's watermelon lemonade, and it's my favorite summer candle that they have. And this bar of soap smells just like that. So I'm really happy to have that. And then this one is pineapple, coconut, and lime. Ooh, this one smells amazing too. It smells sort of like a day at the beach. It's really good. So I can't wait to break those open and start dreaming about summer. It's still so cold here. I'm ready. I got a few pairs of flip-flops. Dollar Tree always has dollar flip-flops when it gets warmer, and it's a great deal for $1. They're not like the best quality, but for $1 they're great to have at your front door if you need to slip something on. And these were such a pretty color. They're like this pearly pink. I don't think I've ever seen a pair of flip-flops at Dollar Tree that I liked more. So this one right in my cart. Really pretty for summer. Let me see if I can find the other pair before I move on. And then this was something totally new. I haven't seen this anywhere. They're furry flip-flops. Am I crazy? Are these cute? Like, I think they're cute. Am I crazy? They're really, really soft and comfortable. This would be great if you're getting like a pedicure and you need to bring a pair of shoes to the salon, right? They had a bunch of different colors and I liked this hot pink camo. I don't know. Is it so tacky that it's cute? Let me know in the comments below if you think this is cute or just way too much. But they had like black and they had pink, so you could get calmer colors, but I really liked this one. I got this little purse. They had this out in their Easter section, and this is perfect for my daughter. She loves playing dress up and she loves playing with purses, and she often tries to play with mine. I wear a lot of those crossbody type purses, and the purse part is small enough for her to play with, but it's got this long handle, no, I don't know, strap. It's got this long strap, and I don't like it because she puts it around her neck and I feel like she's gonna run around and get snagged on something and choke herself. But I love finding little purses like this that she can put on her elbow and it's safe and she enjoys playing with it. Really, really cute. I have another toy. This is funny. I mean, I really have been loving the toys, but I've never seen this one before. It's this little Play Doctor Kit. They had it in pink and blue, and you get this little bag, and it zips up so you can reseal it when you're done, and you get 4 pieces in here. You get a little stethoscope, you get a little thermometer, you get a little, like, I guess maybe a tongue compressor, and then you get one of those little hammers that you hammer on the knee. Really, really cute. I think that's perfect for $1. I got a craft item. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but it was too good to pass up. Tell me if you've seen this, because this was totally new to me, but it looks like the sort of thing that you'd think they've been carrying for a while. It's these little cut wood pieces. You know what I'm talking about. These are so trendy right now. You see them all over Etsy, people doing stuff with them. You get a ton in here. I don't know, it looks like there's at least 12. A lot of really, and they had different shapes and sizes when I was there. I was with my sister when I was shopping, and she could not stop laughing at me when I put these in my cart because she did not understand what I'm gonna do with this. I have a few ideas. I've got some wedding DIYs coming up. I'm gonna do a whole series, so I think it might show up there, but how cute for $1. You get a ton of these. I would really be interested to know if you've seen those before, because it looked totally out of place to me. More for my daughter. I got this little Frozen book. I love getting her little booklets like this at the Dollar Tree, but I'm always looking for things that are just a little step above than a plain book. You know, those are kind of a dime a dozen for $1, but this is great. It's a book with a story, and it's got coloring pages, and in the middle it's got stickers. So I love stuff like this that's a whole activity in one. I could bring this to a restaurant if we're going to dinner. She's got a lot of different things she can do with this one book for $1. It's a great price. Okay, so now this one I'm really excited about. I really want to know if you guys have seen these. I got this trio of wall signs. How cute are these? They're like comic book signs. Ah, this is so cute. Pow. And bam. And this one's my favorite because it's pink. Boom. How cute. I cannot believe these. I don't know what they put these out for. I mean, this isn't holiday specific. I don't know. They're so cute. I'm going to hang these up in my daughter's playroom. How cute. That's a really cute home decor for a kid's room for just $3. Or if you bought just one sign, $1. I have one more sign, and this one is so sweet. I'm going to put this in my daughter's room. How pretty is that? And it's a really good size. Look. It's like the size of my head. Little but fierce. It's so cute. My daughter, this describes her. She is tiny, tiny. She's in like the 10th percentile in weight. She's really small for her age, but she is fierce. She's got a set of lungs. She lets you know her opinions. So I think this is going to be really sweet in her room. And then I got one of these. Again, I put this up in, I did like a Dollar Tree Disney haul. I did stuff to buy at the Dollar Tree if you're planning a Disney trip. And I had one of these in that haul. I had a pink one with princesses, but this is a Mickey Mouse one. I've never seen the Mickey version before. I bought this because these are also great to put in kids' busy bags for travel. My daughter loved drawing on this, and then we'd erase it and she could draw again. So it's always nice to have another one. Like I said, we have a ton of trips coming up. We're traveling like at least once every month for the next 4 or 5 months. So I'm already brainstorming projects and things to keep her busy. Then I think, let's see, I think this is my last item. Let's see. Oh, no, 2 items. Okay. I'm gonna save this one for last because it's like my second favorite. I picked up these little bracelets, and I've seen stuff like this before, but not this exact version. I got these little, like elastic, but they have Minnie Mouse on them. They're so sweet. These little beads, I think they're so pretty. Am I ever gonna be able to? Let's see. Is it working? Yes. Okay, so there's Minnie Mouse, and they had a bunch of colors, and then these were Cinderella's carriage. Is it gonna focus? Can you see that? It's Cinderella's carriage. They're so pretty for $1. I got a bunch of them. I'm doing a girlfriend's trip to Disney World next fall, and there'll be goodie bags involved, obviously. So these are gonna be great in there. Anyway, they're just really sweet and fun. And like I said, I'd seen this style of bracelet before, but never with Minnie Mouse. So those were great. And then this was my last find, and I think this was so cool. Again, I want to know if you guys have seen these. They're brand new to me, and I bought 4 versions of it. There were more than 4. I think, no, I bought 5. I bought 5 of these. Okay, so they're these little hand sanitizers, but they're candies. Each one has a different candy scent, and on the back it has like what candy. How cute is that? Focus. Let me focus away. No. Blow pop. How cute is that? So each one on the back, this one I think is my favorite of the design. This is the Tootsie Pop. You know that owl. So cute. And that's what the other side looks like. So I guess, I haven't smelled them. The inside smells like what flavor they are. This one's really cute. Junior Mints. Really cute. I'm trying to think what other ones they had that I didn't pick up. There were more than just 5 flavors. Tootsie Roll. Come on. Really, really cute. And this one, oh, I love this one, Airheads. I mean, that's like my favorite candy. Who doesn't love Airheads? Really cute. So like I said, I've got a bunch of travel coming up. Different types of trips where you definitely want to have hand sanitizer. One of them's a cruise. There's going to be cruise DIYs coming up, but you want hand sanitizer for all of them. So I got a bunch of different kinds. I'm gonna be set, right? Let me know in the comments below if you've seen this, if you've seen these other ones. Like I said, I was so surprised to walk into these Dollar Trees and be like, I don't have any of this near me. It was super, super fun. Let me know if you think I'm crazy for doing that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to keep doing more content like this, and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I have so many fun spring, holiday, summer projects coming up. I can't wait to share them with you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.